Hello everyone, and welcome to a new weekly overview, guys. This weekly overview is brought to you by EA Economy and Alpha Invest Project, also sponsored by Equity. So today it will be very important, as last week was a calm week, but we had some opportunities. It was good. The total was profitable as usual. And we will see this week what we will have. هذا الأسبوع رح يكون أسبوع كمان حلو مفروض. and ان شاء الله بنشوف اسبوع اقوى من الاسبوع اللي ماضي. الاسبوع اللي ماضي كان رايق شوي، ولكن كنا ربحانين، ورح نشوف هذا الاسبوع شو رح بيكون عنا. So let's start first with news. What we'll have as news: Monday nothing, Tuesday GBP, the flash PMI, 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. All this is GMT +4 Dubai time to eat Dubai. GMT زائد 4. We have the CPI monthly for the Canada, for the USD CAD or any pairs on the CAD. Flash PMI on 6:45. Which price quarterly? It's important for the AUD and ZD pairs. We have the official rate expected to increase it by 0.5%. So this will should affect positively the NZD. And the press conference after this, it will be morning. FOMC minutes. That's not the rate, it's the minutes, like to explain more details about the FOMC policy. Premium GDP on Thursday for the USD, it's important. And core CPI price index on Friday. So there are some news, not so big, but important at some point for the next week. Let's start with these pairs. We'll start with the Dow Jones, still stagnating, guys. Nothing new for the Dow Jones, still stagnating big time. It's still creating this triangle, not done. But by the way, the market is very choppy these days, especially when it comes to the volatility in this market. Something should happen to give it the push again. بدنا شيء يصير تيحركه كتير ميت، السوق كتير بيضيع. So it's not the perfect، منه ال perfect condition الواحد يكون عم يشتغل إلا إذا عم بيشبك يمين وشمال، هذا غير موضوع. So let's see. We have to go to the lower time frames, guys. Check, this is the 4 hours. Here in the 4-hour chart, we have this support. We're breaking the support, can be a potential good sell opportunity. We have almost kind of a clean traffic, so we have the sell at this level. Of course, we'll see the stop loss exactly back then. 33,464, 33,464. Stop loss 33,520. 54,454 TP1. 1 second, guys. So 33,454 the TP1, 33,380 TP2, 33,315 TP4, and 33,200 TP4. Okay, TP3, TP4. For the buy, most probably, this is the support here. This is the big support. 1, as you can see. هذا السبورت الأساسي كان هون. 1 here, 2, 3 here. This was the resistance area. Here it stopped, so we have a clean traffic here. We might push up if it resumes up, but we need the volume. Don't forget, guys, we need the volume. ما تنسوا نتأكد من الفوليوم مش دغري هيك. So if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, we'll have low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. High, higher, high, higher, high, higher, high. So we should expect, if we have now a low, if it opens, makes a low on the 4-hour chart, and then start to push up. إذا فتحت عملت low جديد، ويك جديد على 4 ساعات، مفروض تكمل ترجع تكسر تطلع عنا clean traffic. So the buy can start around 33,854. TP1 864, the scalp 833,900, the TP2, TP3 950, and TP4 34,030. This is the full wick, full clean traffic with a stop loss, my stop loss around 33,825. For gold, it made a big move down. It hit almost 1820 before moving back up to 1840. This is a normal retracement happening. Let's delete everything so we can draw something new. Okay, as you saw here from the last move from down till up, we had 38.2. Now we have two options. Even it start to resume up, this is the retracement. It made it and then it should push up. يا اما بتكون هيدي النزله ردت 38% الاكسبكتد وهلا بدها تبلش تكمل طالعه، او or if it will break the low of the same candle, which is breaking again the 38.2, it should resume to 1790, which is 50%. So we'll have two scenarios here. I have the first main scenario, which is here. This is on daily, guys. Daily reversals. This is daily rejection candle. So this is down here. So what we are looking for is the following, okay? We need a wick down. We need the candle to open. To make a wick down, we need this wick down, guys, okay? Without this wick down, I cannot take the buy, okay? We need this wick down and then pushing up forward on the daily chart. رجع تكمل بعد ما تعمل wick بالdaily. The entry should be at this level. 38.2 Fibonacci retracing up. Here you can see the CCI percentage R also going into divergence. شايفين divergence على CCI وعلى البرسنتج R لاحظوا هون. So breaking up also CCI and percentage R will push it forward up. So we are heading for a potential reversal. And this we'll see that it's almost like the wave 4 also. Okay, this is the wave 4. We might keep pushing for the wave 5. So let's go for this before 1848. It will be the entry. 1848 1848 الانتري. 1842 stop loss. We will see back then also. 49 the TP1 the scalp. 1855 TP2, 1873 TP3, and 1905 will be the TP4 at this resistance area here. Okay, let's make it better. The TP4 will be 1895. Okay, and now let's go to the Elliott waves. This is how you identify when the wave 4 is done and the wave 5 could resume down. This is the Elliott wave. Come on. This is the Elliott wave. We have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the potential 5. As you can see, this is the big one. Okay, the 1 first, and then the 2 was almost like 74% down. And then the wave 3, the big wave 3 up, extension. Now the wave 5 can go up to this level. We go for Fibonacci extension. Fibonacci extension. You have the 3 with the pop-up, not this. 1 second. Okay, and here we are. 61.8 wave 5 can reach almost 2025. The wave 5 can reach 2025. So for the longer term investment, when it breaks up, we have the TP1. We have almost the TP1 at 1898. TP2, the full target 38.2, 1947. TP3 1885 and TP4 will be 2023. Let's say the same year we are in 2023. This is the full Elliott wave move that it can be done for the gold. Yeah, these are the buy scenario. We will go for the sell scenario now. Okay. The sell scenario, if it opens, makes a wick up and then start to push down, very simple, breaking this support, will push it forward down. So the sell will start around 1817, stop loss around 1823, 1816 TP1, 1805 TP2, 1800 TP3, which is almost 0.5. And the maximum it should go like 1753. It will be the TP4, the 61.8, always above it a little bit. يعني فوق شوي ممكن تكمل نزله ال 50% 61% لحتى نكمل بالنزله، ولكن السيناريو طلوع it's most likely to happen. US oil also took directly the sell and close after TP2, I think. We'll see. So we are still holding our positions at some point here again. Oil, if it breaks down, the 74, the 75, stop loss like 75.60, let's say, no, breaking down the 75.20, 75.80 stop loss, 75 TP1, 74.34 TP2, 73.55 TP3. Where the buy, it will stay the same. We need to open, wick down, and then pushing up to break the sequence. We cannot take the buy here. ما فينا ناخدها غير ما تكسر هيدا sequence up. So the buy will be the same like last week. Nothing changed with the buy, starting like around 80.60. 80.60. Bitcoin was the weak, lovely thing. We have the divergence. لاحظوا كيف نلحق. Look how we follow the Bitcoin exactly with our system on the daily chart. We have a divergence. It moved down, broke the support, went down 22,280 till almost 21,43, and then it made a cup, like a cup here, as you can see, a reversal candle. Look. Very interesting. This is a reversal, wick low, higher low, pushed up, and then open. Made the wick down and start to push up. This was our buy, 22,480. Also, coincidence with the breaking of the CCI and percentage R. And then all the way up to 24,400 in one day, guys. Retracement a little bit and then pushing forward up so far close to 25,000. It already hit it. And this was an amazing buy for us. Now the next candle إذا تشوف قد السيستم تبعنا ناجح على البيتكوين كمان. So now the next buy, once it breaks the 25,580, it should resume up to 26,268, 27,628, 29,000 and almost 32,000. We can resume up after retracing exactly on Fibonacci 38.2. Reddit 38.2. You can see the weekly, guys. It retraced exactly 38.2 and pop, it reversed up last week, retraced this week, push up, and it's resuming the bullish move, which is amazing. As for the sell, I need to break again the 38.2 at 21,157, stop loss 21,400, 21,044 TP1, 2,819 TP2, TP3 20,413, and TP4 19,520. But most probably, I think after this, we should open the week, makes a wick down, and then start to push up again. بعتقد رح نكمل in a bullish trend when it comes to this. And here We have the GBPJPY also retracing a little bit. Now the resistance is here. We'll take a little bit more risky trades because we cannot stay like this stagnating all the time. I don't know why the market is only stagnating. The buy, it will be the same. Breaking this resistance will be an amazing buy. But the sell, I push it to 159.90. The sell, 160.40 stop loss, 59.80 TP1, 58.77 TP2, 57.62 TP3, and 55.75 the TP4. Okay, this is حاططها in reverse. So let's see how to move up. The euro dollar, guys, also still stagnating here. It took the TP1, almost hitting TP2, and then removed, reversed up. Now we have a new support, which is here, and a potential new push down if it resumes down. So the sell will be around 1.0605, 1.0605. As it was expected, the euro went down to 1.06, guys, 17. Wow. Okay, so from 110, 400 pips almost 400 pips, as we did the study. Go back to the weekly overview 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and you will see what we were expecting in the Elliott waves. 400 pips, guys, in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So let's say 3 weeks maybe. Okay, so now 1.0603, 1.0605, stop loss 1.06, like 35.0595 TP1, 0.560 TP2, 0.535 TP3, and 0.5 TP4. And the buy, it will always stay the same. After all the stagnation, if it starts to push up, we will take the buy up. GBP USD also hit the sell. Not directly from the first time, from the second time when it opens, pushed up, and then, yeah, we cannot take it directly when the market is going to close. So we now wait till the next day, Thursday, opened, made a wick up, and then pushed down. This was the sell, 2011, keep pushed down till 119.14. It was amazing sell and almost hit this. So let's see a new study here. This is the new support at this level. Breaking down will be interesting, while breaking up this time here also will be interesting. So the buy will be around, let's make it closer. Okay, 1.2092, stop loss 1.2062, 1.2020, 1.2102 the TP1, 1.2127 TP2, 1.2160 TP3, and the full one will be 1.2250. Okay, this will be the full target. As for the sell, we need to open, make the wick down or make the wick up, and then push down. Now we need this break of this candle. This will be like 118.85, stop loss 119.10, 175 TP1, 45 TP2, 118.05 TP3, and 117.60. It will be the TP4. We go for AUD USD. Also the same scenario applying, but we will keep the same buy because we need the stagnation area to finish, to get done. Here we will go back for this potential wick fill. So the sell will be here. Now, if it opens only, makes a wick up, we need first to make a wick up. بدنا بالأول تعمل wick up. So if it makes a wick up and then start to push down, breaking this 0.6836, it will be the sell. 60 stop loss, 26 TP1, 67.87 TP2, and 67.33 will be the TP4, while the buy will stay the same for the AUD. NZD, it's already moving, it already moved down, took the order, took the sell, took the target. Always, guys, remember, if it's not from the foot, and usually when it breaks this, we have to change the stop loss. The stop loss, for example, breaking this candle, if you take it here, and usually you have to wait for the next day until it opens, makes a wick up, and then break down. So you get the sell here. But if at any point you took the sell here, so your stop loss will be at the high of the same candle. It will be like 45 pips almost. At the high of the same candle, you change the stop loss that I put in the cheat in a way that convince with the trading, okay? So you wouldn't, this is swing trade, you wouldn't hit the stop loss, okay? And now it's moving down. Now we might have a reversal. It went down all the way. Now this is our new support. This is the support area. Very interesting support point. Very interesting support point. So breaking 0.6190 will be the sell. Stop loss 0.6220. 0.6180 TP1, 0.6150 TP2, 0.6115 TP3, and 0.6070 TP4. While the buy should be usually at the same place, because here it's very, very, very crowded. And the reversal, it's very hard to identify, to be honest. But we can have a try here at this level, which is 0.6280, stop loss 6260, 6290 TP1, 6324 TP2, 6364 TP3, and 6450 TP4. We go for the USDCHF. USDCHF also stagnating. We will have the same buy and we will have the same sell. Nothing will change even if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up. I will take the wick fill, and you can take the wick fill 0.92 to 95, and moving up the same TP1, the same stop loss, everything. As for the sell, I need the stagnation area to be gone, يعني تخلص الستاجنيشن اريا اللي هون. سو لحتى ارجع انسى. سو الباي رح اتركها هي ذاتها تاخذ الويك فيل. اما السيل كمان رح اتركها هي ذاتها كانت خلصت هيدي المنطقه تبع الضياع. انا بسميها the no trade range area we are trading in until we get the same sell as before. As for the USD CAD, still also in the same. Here we'll move a little bit the entry, 1.3545 entry, 55 TP1, 3620 TP2, 3680 TP3, and 3750 TP4, while the stop loss 3507. The sell will be the same, all the stagnation area to be done. At the sell, we can go into a lower time frame, by the way. Can go into a lower time frame for the sell, like here, if you want. Okay, this can be another sell option other than the big one, which we can keep. But here, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, high, higher, high, 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 higher, high. So now if it opens, makes a high, which is lower than the previous high. It should respect the previous high to be lower. بدها تكون أوطى من الهاي اللي قبلها. And then starting to push down, we can have the one, especially that we have the CPI on the Canadian. It might give us this push. 134. Let's put this also. So we will have two sell. رح يكون عندنا اثنين sell. 134.40 entry sell, 134.65 stop loss, 134.30 TP1, 1.3405 TP2, 1.3365 TP3, and 1.3282, the TP4. This can be another sell. You can have it, and you can have this option for it, while the other buy and the sell, as we told you. And so we will have one buy and we will have two sells for this week. Hopefully it will be an amazing week to focus on it. Thank you, Economy, for initiating this. Thank you, Equity, for sponsoring this weekly swing trade, weekly overview. And from here, guys, let's have an amazing week, hopefully next week. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.